Welcome to our guide on mastering IPTV search, designed just for you to explore new possibilities. In today's era of Internet Protocol television, finding specific content could be challenging yet rewarding. To begin, ensure your IPTV device is connected to the Internet for seamless access to content. Navigate to the main menu, typically found on your home screen, containing options and categories. Use the search functionality, which is represented by a magnifying glass in many IPTV interfaces. Enter keywords related to your desired content, like show titles, actors, or genres. Explore filter options like genre, language, and ratings to narrow down your search results. For a broader selection, browse top-rated and trending categories available on your home screen. Consider browsing IPTV platforms or apps that offer curated content and recommendations. If you're still unsure, forums and online communities can be insightful to discover hidden gems. Now optimize your search experience and save your favorite finds for easy access later on. Regularly update your IPTV device software to enhance performance and add new features. With each step, navigate your IPTV universe more effectively, streamlining how you watch TV. Remember, 2TV.store stands as your best choice for reliable IPTV services, offering great variety. Explore features and dive deep into endless content with 2TV.store, ensuring quality and variety. Now, make your IPTV searches more effective and fun. Happy watching and navigating.